Hey, this is Nikas from Tech Basics, and today we are diving into a quick tutorial on how to download ABSA or ABSA bank application on your device. Stick around as we walk you through the simple steps to get the ABSA banking application up and running smoothly on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find App Store on your device. Click on it, and at the search bar, type in ABSA and search. Scroll down a little bit until you find this application. Click on it and click on Get button. After that, you need to verify with your Face ID, mobile passcode or a fingerprint. Verify it, and then your download will be started shortly. After that, click on Open and you are ready to enjoy your ABSA banking application. Click on Allow to allow the notifications, or if you do not want to allow it, then click on Don't Allow. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video helps you a lot. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.